Hi everyone, this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use speech to text. Okay, so I have Wondershare Filmora open, and here's the clip that you just saw. And now I'm going to apply speech to text for this clip. So here's the icon right up here where it says speech to text. You could also right click and find it right here. So it gives you an option of different languages that the audio can be transcribed in, and you have a choice here. Do you want the entire timeline sequence to be converted, which would be this entire thing, or just the clip selected, which is just this thing? Well, for me, I just need this thing transcribed. What I'm going to do now is press OK, and it's scanning and then transcribing, and now it's completed. And there is a time limit, just to say, so watch out for that, but it gives you an option to purchase more if needed. Now I'm going to press X, and here is my transcription of what I said in this clip. So I'm just going to test it out. Hi everyone, this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use speech to text. Well, it wasn't perfect, and sometimes some of us need to enunciate a bit, so I could always double click, which I just did, and I could edit anything that wasn't transcribed right. So I'm going to press play. Hi everyone, this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to... So what I said is, hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you. So hi everyone, this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use speech to text. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to use speech to text. So I like that. This is typically hyphenated, but anyway. So that's how you use speech to text. Hi everyone, this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use speech to text. And there are different ways and options for you to change how the text looks. You could change the font, the size, and you have all of these things to choose from. Also, you could adjust the timing by clicking on either ends of the text box on the track, and you could shorten it or you could elongate it. Suppose that you want each subtitle box to have a complete sentence. You could do that by clicking that specific text box and finishing up the sentence, and then adjusting accordingly by either shortening or elongating the text box in the track. There's also presets so that you could choose different styles of the text. You could choose bold so that it's easier to see and read. And there's animations, outline, shadows, and fills that you could use too. And that's how you do it. So using speech to text is a great way to add subtitles, a relatively quicker way without having to do everything manually, where you would go to titles and pick out one for a subtitle, and then drag one down and type every word that you said, and then drag another one, and so on. Using speech to text is much easier. It's, like in some of my cases, not 100% accurate, but that's easy to change by editing. If you would like to try Wondershare yourself, I'm leaving a link to their website in the description below, and there you could download a free version, and if you like it, you could purchase it. And so I hope that was helpful. Have a great day, or night.